In this video I'm going to be maintaining a little bit of the old tractor and of the old shredder, and I aim to put a small bit of grease into the shredder, all of the spots that need grease, like this one here for example, so that it doesn't break down. It's an old shredder, and tractor wise I'm just gonna refuel it, and also I'm gonna add in some motor oil, because doing this is actually pretty heavy work for the tractor, and it also burns through a bit of motor oil as well. The reason why I'm shredding the fields is because currently I'm not growing anything here and I'm not using it for anything. My plans are in the future to start creating apple orchards here. For the time being I need to just maintain these fields so that they don't forest up, and then once I'm ready to start, creating the orchards, then it's more easier stuff. Also it gets rid of some ticks and snakes and all that those kind of animals that we don't want near our home. And also I like to keep working with the machines. These are the tools. I just need some motor oil. I have some fuel here, and also siphon, and then the grease gun. I'll just attach the grease gun there and start pumping until the grease comes out, not from the hole, but I want to see it seeping through. I can hear some voices, so I'm expecting to see some grease coming through. Alright, here we go. We can see some coming from through there, so now we know that there's enough grease. With these old machines, there's no such thing as too much grease. There we go. Another one right there. I'm using water resistant grease. There we go. So one should be at least somewhere in here. Tire holes here. Yeah, I think I need to check if there's a way to add grease there. And in here we changed the transmission oil. So that's been taken care of. Now I'll just need to find if there are more greasing spots here. If I would have been wise, I would have researched this, but I'm not wise. And then when you know what you're looking for, you can also try and locate it with your fingers. Just make sure you don't hurt yourself, because these old machines can do some damage. Could that be it? No, that's not it. God damn it. There we go, I found it. It's in a shitty place, and I can't even see if I ran out of grease. It's starting to seep through from somewhere. There we go. Now, fueling the tractor is easy. So there's the tank, the fuel tank. There's already plenty of fuel. I'm gonna first put some more motor oil in there, and then some fuel. Okay, that's not the motor oil. That's your coolant. This is the transmission oil. Let's check this one as well. Could do with adding some more motor oil. I already know that I need to add some more, and by God, I think I'll need to stop filming for a second and research. Make some research so that I don't break this stuff. Okay, I checked a few videos and apparently it is that. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. At least some guy put the correct type of oil there with some additives, so hopefully it's not the wrong hole. We'll see. We'll see. Take that to heart. I also had to fetch me this kind of a shitty tool to help me pour in some oil. I also don't want to pour oil into the field unnecessarily. I don't even know how much oil I should add there. I think I should research more, or I should talk with people who actually know. One of those people who actually knows is my father, who owns this tractor. So I might get yelled at if it burns when he comes home. I think that's good enough for now. And now I'm gonna add in the fuel as well. Okay, maybe putting the oil cork on could be also a good idea. Oh, god damn it! All of these holes, British design, not meant to be filled. Ah. Oh no. That's filled up nice. Excellent. Let's go start our engines. The design in these David Browns is just phenomenal. You have your small hatch and then your gears in the middle there. Basically what you're supposed to be is a kind of a weird robot dude that doesn't need any extra space. I don't know, maybe people were just tiny in the 60s or 70s. Could be that too. Well, let's get this thing started. Let's hope it goes. Like a baby! This is how we start the shredder. It's basically what's happening. It's broken. Instead of fixing it, I just live with it like a real man. Yesterday I shredded these fields and one field over there as well. There's still one field for me to shred, and that's why I have attached the shredder into the transport position. When I start shredding, I just reattached it. I'm burning branches because last winter I felled some trees from there next to the field. If I would have been wise, I wouldn't have, collected the sticks in the piles for me to burn in the summer. But burning these kind of bonfires is fun. But then it would have been more wise to just, drop them there. Would have been less work. The shredder didn't mind. It doesn't mind as long as the branches are not too thick. And the thicker branches, well, we heat our home with it. That's that about shredding. And about this David Brown for now. There will be plenty of videos with the tractors. I'm gonna fix one tractor. I'm gonna maintain these two tractors. Probably to fix them as well at times. Collecting some stone. All that kind of great jazz. If you enjoyed this video, do leave a like, subscribe even. And thank you very much. And if you have any ideas on what what would you like to see more? Type in, leave a comment. Ei muuta kuin moro moro!